In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Edge Sidebar. If the Edge Sidebar feels distracting or takes up space you'd rather use for web pages, this quick walkthrough will show you how to turn it off completely or set it to auto-hide so it only appears when you need it. The steps are the same on Windows and Mac OS, and you won't need to restart your browser. First, open Microsoft Edge. Give it a moment to load your start page or any tabs you had open previously. Everything we're about to change happens inside Edge itself, not in your operating system settings. Next, look to the top right corner of Edge and click the three dots to open the main menu. This menu holds all the browser controls and settings you don't see on the toolbar, so it's the quickest way to reach what we need. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Edge's settings page in a new tab or pane, with a navigation column on the left and detailed options on the right. If you ever get lost, you can always return to this page by repeating these steps. In the left-hand navigation, choose Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including toolbars, buttons, and importantly, the sidebar. If you don't immediately see Appearance, make sure you're at the top level of settings and not inside a subcategory. Inside Appearance, find the section labeled Copilot and Sidebar. Depending on your version, it may be worded slightly differently, but it will mention both Copilot and the sidebar together. Click it to reveal controls that specifically manage when and how the sidebar shows up. Under Sidebar Visibility, you'll see options for how the sidebar behaves. Select Off to never show the sidebar. This removes the sidebar from view and prevents it from appearing on its own, giving you the cleanest possible browsing window. The change applies right away, and you can continue browsing as normal. If you still want quick access to sidebar tools but don't want it always visible, choose Auto Hidden instead. With Auto Hidden, the sidebar stays tucked away and appears only when you hover near the right edge or trigger a tool that uses it. It's a nice compromise if you occasionally use sidebar features, but prefer a minimal look most of the time. That's it. You can return to this same setting anytime to re-enable the sidebar or switch between Off and Auto Hidden as your needs change. If you don't see these options, make sure Edge is up to date, and then check the Appearance section again.